हेलो दोस्तों, यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं डॉक्टर विपिन कुमार को और आज के वीडियो में मैं जिन शख्स को मिलाने वाला हूँ वो है तरुण शर्मा, जिन्होंने ऑल इंडिया सिक्योर किया 7th रैंक इन आईसीआर 2020 में एग्रोनॉमी सब्जेक्ट में। और ये हिमाचल प्रदेश से बिलोंग करते हैं। और इसी तरह के बहुत से टॉपर्स की वीडियोस एंड टेस्ट सीरीज एंड बुक रेफरेंस जो कि डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अवेलेबल हैं, आप वहाँ पे जाके देख सकते हो, जिससे और भी बेनिफिट आपको मिलेंगे। इस वीडियो को अपने तक ही मत सीमित रखना, अपने दोस्तों में भी इसको शेयर करना जो लोग इससे तैयारी कर रहे हैं। और आप में से कोई अगर ऐसा है जो सक्सेसफुल है और इसी तरह से अपनी स्ट्रेटजी को शेयर करना चाहता है, तो आपका यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम। आप हमारे ईमेल पर मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं agrovipiniri@gmail.com। तो चलिए, अब आपको हम तरुण शर्मा जी से मिलाते हैं।
Good morning everyone. My name is Tarun Sharma. I am from Himachal Pradesh. I did my UG from CSK Himachal Pradesh Krishi Vishwavidyalaya Palampur and I secured All India Rank 7 in ICR PG examination 2020 in the subject of agronomy. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Bipin Kumar who gave me this opportunity to share my experience and strategy with my juniors, and also I would like to thank him that the step taken by him is revolutionary in the discipline of digital agriculture study, and their videos and toppers talk, their test series were very helpful for me during my preparation. Thank you, sir. It's always good to start as early as possible for this exam. As in my case, I started my preparation in third year first semester, but at the time my speed was very slow, and I took a lot of time to clear my basic concepts. In the third year second semester, I started my full-fledged preparation for JRF exam. Student can also start preparation in fourth year. Those who have very uh, good agriculturally, they are very sound in academics, they can also start in fourth year. It's never too late. I started my preparation with some basic books. As all of you know, the Principle of Agronomy by T.L. Amanda Reddy and G. Shankara Reddy, and the Principles of Agronomy by S.R. Reddy. You can also prefer the book Principle of Crop Production by S.R. Reddy and C. Nagamani. The first some few chapters related to hormones, related to graphs like Michel's equation, like those. You can prefer that book also, first 5 to 6 chapters. Then after that, I have switched over to the soil fertility. For that, I have preferred the book Soil Fertility and Fertilizers by Teasdale and Alson, and the textbook of Plant Nutrient Management by Indian Society of Agronomy. And for weed science, I have preferred book written by IRA scientist Dr. T.K. Das, Weed Science Basic and Applications by Dr. T.K. Das. And for irrigation, I have preferred the book Irrigation Agronomy by S.R. Reddy. And for the crop production, I have preferred the book Crop Production, textbook of Field Crop Production, Volume 1, and textbook of Commercial Crops Production, Volume 2, written by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. This is, I think, enough for agronomy. Yeah, you can also prefer the book Agronomy Terminology, written by Indian Society of Agronomy. And for the objective, I have followed the book Agronomy at a Glance by Maliv and Mundra, Objective Agronomy by Thava Prakash, Agri Wizard. This is, I think, enough. And yeah, one more for the previous exam paper, you can prefer the book Agronomy Treatise simultaneously. When you are revising the books, you can go with the Agronomy Treatise also. If from general agriculture point of view, you can prefer the book Dr. Written by Nemra Sunda, a competitive book of agriculture by Nemra Sunda, and volume 1 and volume 2 of Arun Katyan also. I think this is enough from book point of view. As I started my preparation with the basic books, then I switched over to the other books like fertility and weed. Then simultaneously I revised my basic books again and again, and I focused more on the revision. I would like to suggest you a book written by R.S. Meena, and that is Agronomy Facts for Competition. And that book is a blend of 5 to 6 books. The student who do not like to prepare the notes, they can refer that book also. And I would also like to suggest you that revise as much as possible, and make the notes of the books in the last during the final touch. The things you forget, write down those points that you forget. I attempted 112 questions and got some negatives, and my score was 328 out of 480. This year exam has some different trend than previous exams, and I must say that the exam was quite tough this year. I attempted my question paper in two rounds. First of all, I attempted those questions that I got easy, and in the second round I used elimination method to solve the questions, and those questions that I didn't had any idea, I have left those questions unattempted. This year we have got the statement questions and many concept based questions. So I must suggest my juniors that clear your basic concepts and revise as many as times possible. Stay positive during your preparation, and also for the general agriculture, follow the statistics, plant physiology, and GIS. This portion must prepare for this portion. For statistics, you can follow Rangaswamy book, and for physiology, you can follow any Katyan book or any other book which you feel comfortable. And for GIS, also refer some book in which you feel comfortable. And for stay cool and calm during the examination. First, read carefully the question and the options, and then answer. Success will be yours. Thank you.